Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we're coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. First we are coloring alphabets and now we are using yellow color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we're coloring alphabets A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're coloring the alphabet of B. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, subscribe to our channel. And the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. Now we're coloring alphabets E. The next one is numbers. Now we are using the color of green. So now we are using green color. Now we're coloring numbers. The number of 1 and the next one is 2. The next one is 3. Now we're coloring the number of 3. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. And the next one is 5. F-I-V-E, 5. And now we're coloring shapes. First we are using yellow color. And now we're coloring the shape of triangle. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is star. The shape of star. The next one is circle. Now we are using red color. The color of red. The shape of circle, and the next one is pentagon. And the last one is, now we are using black color. The last one is square. Thank you so much for watching.